This is a little video to explain our mass and weight experiment. Here is our Newton meters. They look like this. They have a handle at the top and a hook at the base, and you'll see they have a scale and a little spring inside that extends when you hang stuff on it. You should see that at the start the marker is at the top by the 0. If it's not, you can adjust it using this little white nut here to make sure it's 0. For those that want to know, that's called a 0 error when it's not at 0. For example, if you stood on your scales at home, if it said 5 kilograms before you got on, whatever your answer is probably going to be 5 kilograms too much. So we need to put it back to 0 or subtract the error. Don't worry about that though if it doesn't make sense. On our Newton meters, we have two scales. We have down the left-hand side, newtons, and down the right-hand side, grams. And our experiment is to try and look at the difference between the two. So what we are going to do is hang our Newton meter on a clamp stand. You will notice that I have put the base underneath the clamp, and I have put it next to the edge by the sink. We're going to have one person in our group hold it just in case. This is the clamp. We have adjusters on it to make it open and close. We're going to release it a bit, rotate it till we have the single prong at the base, then we can hook it on. Then we can clamp it so that it doesn't rotate again. Check that it doesn't go down by applying a small amount of force. And then we're going to close up our teeth so that our Newton meter won't fall off easily by accident. Then we're going to hang some masses on it. They have a little hook. They stack up, so we're going to take them all off and we are going to hang it on its own like this. This is 100 grams. So we're going to hang it on there, and then on our results table we are going to write down what the grams are showing, and it should be about 100, and what the newtons reading is showing, and we're going to write that down. Then we can hang another one on it, so we hook it on at the top and we let it go down to the base, and then we carefully lower it, and we can keep doing that until we have used all of our masses. As I say, when we get to near the end where we've got more masses hanging, you will have to put your hand on it just to make sure it doesn't topple over. When you've finished, you're going to see if you can make the connection between mass in grams and force in newtons.